We about to get hit, aren't we? Yep.
Busco a policia. Vino aquí?
Bro speaking that shit like a gringo. El Policio. ¿Cómo estás? Yo, welcome back. And welcome in if you're brand new. My name is John, aka GoodeisSXE. And today, we're playing Resident Evil 4 Remake. I wouldn't call myself the biggest Resident Evil fan in the world.
You what?
But I enjoy the franchise. I've played a good majority of the games, the main line games, the ones with the numbers. Just to list them off, I played Resident Evil 2, Resident Evil 2 Remake, Resident Evil 4, Resident Evil 7, and Resident Evil 8. And I actually streamed Resident Evil 8 when it came out, and it was awesome. And I remember when that trailer dropped too. So, we're not gonna waste any more time. We're gonna get right into it. Here we go. Well, I don't know what to expect. I don't know what this demo entails.
Bruh.
I haven't seen it, obviously, because it just dropped as of today, Thursday, March 9th. Now, also, let me know in the comments if you actually want to see me play Resident Evil as like a full-length video. Let me know when it comes out, because I will definitely consider it. I am open to it.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day.
Oh, this is from Resident Evil 2.
Was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky.
So when I played Resident Evil 2 Remake, I actually only played Claire's story. I didn't play Leon's.
Top secret government
so if you also want to see me do that in the video as well, let me know in the comments.
I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything.
Ooh, okay, the visuals on this.
If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different.
Oh no, she fell.
It has to.
Leon! Leon! You know, my favorite part of Resident Evil 4. I'll actually say Resident Evil 4 is my favorite Resident Evil game. RB to run? Weird. And if you can tell, I'm playing this on Xbox. Sorry. You, for my PlayStation people. Ooh. Alright, cool. Awesome. YouTube, don't restrict this video, please. I can't even monetize my videos, but... Oh, you know something? I just realized this is in third person. So this is dope. Just like the original. We're gonna explore a little bit, look around, see what they got. Not much, so let's go ahead and go through this door if we can. And everyone knows the charm of Resident Evil are in its puzzles. It's rigid gameplay and the puzzles.
Anyone home?
We all enjoy that. We love it. We welcome it. But it's cool that 7 was able to revive the game and brought a new feel to it, especially with the first person and all that. Y'all care about that? I don't know. And also too, if you're new to gaming and you're watching this and you like horror stuff, I highly recommend playing this. Definitely recommend playing Resident Evil. And honestly, you could start, you could honestly start with 7, you could start with 2, you could start with 1. I'm sure there's gonna be people like, well, actually, you should start with this. Like, it doesn't really matter to me. I'm not gonna get mad. So I don't care. You play how you want to play. We about to get hit, aren't we? Yep. Wait. Oh, that's right. I forgot they speak Spanish.
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Bro speaking that shit like a gringo. El Policio. ¿Cómo estás? Mario Fernandez. Uh-oh. Whoa, watch out, Leon! Damn. Oh. Oh. Bro kicked him hard as hell like he's Sanji.
This is not good.
Not good at all. Also too, this game does not have a time limit, so you can play this as many times you want if you're thinking about playing this. Hey. Oh, what the? Nice. Is that a pig? I don't want to know. I don't want to know. We're gonna keep walking. Don't get smacked upside the head, Leon. Pay attention.
Hey.
Ooh. That's not good. Oh, all right. Okay.
I read you. What's your situation?
Nice. Nice.
The hell's
Nice.
going on?
Come on, Leon. We've been through this before. You know what's going on. How many? Of course, we got 10 bullets. You already know it ain't Resident Evil if you don't have less than 5 bullets on you. Okay, we didn't. I didn't need that. Does he have ammo on him? Like we could at least took some off of him. You know he got a gun.
What was that?
Oh crap! Someone's coming down here. Get ready for the jump scare. Oh! No, not crouch, run! Run! Oh my god. Oh! How do I fight? Oh shit. There we go. I missed. Okay. Damn.
It's getting worse.
Well, I froze, y'all. I froze. I'm sorry. For those of y'all that been watching me play Uncharted, you already know about my aim, but it was on point there, a little bit better. I got them headshots. And those count in this game. You gotta no body shots, all headshots on this thing. Oh shit. Here we go. He said, "Donde está?"
Ew!
Moldy fruit, nice. Oh snap, he's in there. I wonder if we can shoot him from here. Oh, we have awoken the beast. I missed. Here he comes. Get ready. Whoa, why is he running? Oh my god, my aim. I missed. Okay, well now we can slash. Okay. He's already down. Oh, what's this? Oh, we can't shoot this, can we? Nope, because we ain't got no ammo, dumbass. Of course. Where we can find... Yeah, I'm good on going in there, bro. See if I can find some ammo or something. Oh, nah, chill. Chill. Yeah, we out.
Bruce, this is Gondor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
She cute.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Lago.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are...
Get ready. Oh my god.
Gotta go. Talk later.
Oh, oh, oh.
I'll let myself out.
All right, there you go. Improvise. He jumped out that window hard as hell too. Take notes, Nathan Drake. Take notes. Oh, you'll be all right. Big ass Raven. Damn. Ooh, probably something in here. Yeah. Here we go. Load that thing up. And I understand this game does have ray tracing. Ooh, save point. I wonder if it still has the cool music. Ooh, gunpowder. So that means we can craft stuff as, you know, Resident Evil. Of course. Wait, we can't save? Hold up, we can't save? Bruh. That's alright. Well, I may just get this game on Xbox too when it comes out. Although my PS5 could use some love because I don't play it that much. Because the PS5 ain't got no games. Sorry. It's the truth. Nah, but why can I save? Oh, damn. They disemboweled that wolf. All right, here come more people. Now, this is one of those games too where you don't necessarily have to kill everyone you see. You can be smart and avoid them. But it also depends on the hell. Oh, nice. It depends on like where you are in the game, because there may be some points where you do have to kill. Obviously, if it's a boss, but if it's, you know, just normal fodder, you ain't got to do it. Oh snap! That was on me. Oh! Hold on, let me open my inventory. Okay. Yeah, let me use that. See, these mugs got weapons. Oh yeah. Oh crap. Damn, so I gotta get a headshot, I guess. There we go. All right. Sheesh. Oh. What about the other one? Oh, that's right. I forgot because in yeah, you gotta double tap. Because if you've ever played the original one, you know why. You know exactly why. We didn't see it with the other guy back there. The one in the little cabin, but Yeah, I don't want to spoil it too much if you haven't ever played. Oh shit! Anyways, yeah, I don't want to spoil it too much if you haven't ever seen or played this before. Damn, that scared me. That scared the shit out of me. Alright, dope, we got some more ammo. So let me, we're good. Alright. Focus up. What was that? Oh, okay. Never mind. Ah, it's the town. Okay. Binoculars? Oh my goodness. Nice. Burn that man alive. They did a good job of recreating the little town though. Nothing out of place. Oh shit. Can we sneak up on her? Yeah, we're gonna sneak. Ooh. Damn. Brutal. We pick up. Nice. Cause we gonna need it. Trust me. We gonna need this. We gonna keep sneaking. Oh shit. Was not expecting bro to just be standing there. You know, doing whatever. We still haven't run into the guy that sells stuff yet. Well, I mean, the game just began, but I hope we get to run into him on this. The game simply just said, fight them off. I think I'm gonna run for it. Or not? Okay, so this is the chainsaw. Oh. 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 Damn. Oh, yep. All right, well, I'm gonna save that flash for the chainsaw guy. Oh wait, I went backwards. Oh, I didn't see the durability bar on the knife until just now. All right.
Present for you.
Oh shit! Oh god. Okay. Oh god, please. All right, now run, Leon. Oh god, he threw it. Oh shit, no, go, just run. She can't, never mind. I was like, she can't hit me. Gun is obsolete, or knife is obsolete. Reload. Ah, damn. Oh no, we're dead. Maybe I should turn off aim assist. The lady with the rake has left her post. And she's right there. Got some green herb. Ah, okay. Move. Oh, you know what? I didn't go this way last. Oh, never mind. It's a dead end. That's why. Maybe I should try to break free instead of using my knife just to save some durability on it. Oh my god. Maybe I should use it now. Cool physics. And there he is. Damn, they climbing through window? Oh shit. Okay, Leon. He said next. I need this lady to move out of my face. Nice. All right, run. Ah, come on. I'm about to fight my way out. I gotta reload. Oh my god.
I am free. Praise the Lord, I'm free.
How I made it out, I have no idea. Wow. Oh shit. Wait, what's going on? Oh, that's right, that's right.
La campana.
That's right. Okay. Sorry, it's so when the bell tolls, they it's time to receive the word.
Tenemos que servir.
I wonder if we can still do the German suplexes and drop them on their head, because that was fun.
Todopoderoso.
Time to go to church.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Hey. Awesome. All right. Well, thanks for playing and thanks for watching. This game will be available on March 24th. I'm talking like this is a sponsored video. If you want to see me play this game, like you want to see me play the entire game all the way through, just let me know in the comments. Say, please, I'll give you $5 if you play this. I'll do it. I'll do it for free. But if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. And if you're not already, please subscribe to the video and leave a comment. Let me know if you liked the video, if you didn't like the video, if you want to see more stuff like this, if you want to see me play something else, if you want to see me play this. Let me know in the comments. Follow me on all the socials. Links will be in the description. As always, my Twitter, my Instagram, my TikTok. I post shorts almost every day. Please like and comment and also share as well. But until the next video, I will see y'all next time. Peace.